हेलो यूट्यूब। ये वीडियो इंग्लिश में है। अगर आप इसे हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो स्क्रीन के अपर राइट कॉर्नर पर दिए गए बटन को क्लिक करें। Kia recently unveiled the fourth generation of its flagship family van, or an MPV as we call it in India. In this video, I will share its details like major changes and differences in dimensions. Also, will highlight some of the interesting comfort features, convenience features, and safety features. Of course, we'll have a look at the engine and transmission options of 4th generation Kia Carnival. But before we proceed, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Let's begin with the face of Carnival. Kia's signature tiger nose grille is more aggressive now. New LED daytime running lights and dual LED headlamps makes the face more 2021. If we move to the sides, new Carnival looks no less than an SUV. Visible increase in height and added length may help get a better internal dimensions, which we will have a look in just a moment. Moving to the rear, this car is definitely going to make SUV drivers feel shy of their bulky cars when following it. It has SUV type rear windshield design with heighted bumper and bigger skid plate at the bottom, makes it look rugged, and hidden silencer makes it look more minimalistic at the same time. Visibly, it is bigger and better. Visibly, it is definitely bigger, but are the numbers changed from previous generation Carnival? Let's have a look at the dimensions. In dimensions, we will start with the overall length. The 4th generation Carnival has 5156 mm of overall length, where the older generation had 5115 mm. However, the new generation Carnival has a wheelbase of 3091 mm compared with the current generation, which is 3060 mm. We can make out that next generation Carnival has gone taller too. However, focusing on the urban usage and family friendly, the floor is lowered for easy ingress and egress for the kids. Enough of data. Now let's have a look that this bigger Carnival is any better than the outgoing version. Here are some comfort features. Unlike 3rd gen, which had 7, 8 and 9-seater arrangements, 4th gen may offer a 4th row seating, making it the only 11-seater in its class. Clever use of that increased length, Kia. Kia has thought every point to make it best for families or corporate buyer, offering multiple seat arrangements options, making everyday drive more practical. Child care mode, table mode, 3rd row seat sinking, making it almost a cargo van, having a huge cargo space of a whopping 4,110 liters of cargo capacity. So no doubt, It is going to be practical in use. However, will it be more convenient? Here are some convenience features for 4th generation Carnival. Kia has done a good research of the users and have tried their best to implement almost all needs. To start with, it has smart power door sliding operation. Upon detection of car key within the sensor area, when hands are full, it is a very helpful feature. It also has one-touch remote door and tailgate opening function. Hassle-free entry and exit is assured. Hands full after unloading the car? Never mind. The 4th generation Carnival has smart door closing function too. Really? Toyota, are you listening? For the young occupant's comfort, Carnival has really intuitive features like passenger talk to hear driver's instructions. Passenger sleep mode. Deactivating rear speaker, making it middle rows calmer. It even notifies you when the young ones are awakened by sensing the motion in middle row. Now that's clever, Kia. Good job. Along with being comfortable, it is practical as well. It has a center parcel tray and a 5.4 liter storage right in the middle for second row seats. It also offers retractable luggage tray in the boot to better organize things you carry on daily basis or on the occasions like one-day picnic or on a road trip. For charging needs of your gadgets, it offers wireless charging for the front row seats, which is common nowadays, but 2 USB ports for each row, making it a total 6 ports in the vehicle. Now that is making sure Peppa Pig or Candy Crush never stops. Talking about transmission and engine, it has option of 2.5 liter petrol and 3.5 liter petrol globally. However, in India, it is expected to continue with 2.2 liter and 8-speed automatic transmission, which seems quite fine for a car of this size. With all that power, car has to be safe. Here are some safety features apart from commonly offered ABS, EBD, ESP, TCS, HLA and 6 airbags. 4th generation Carnival takes care of you and your family with advanced features like lane follow assist, which helps the driver avoiding merging with traffic unsafely. Cross traffic collision assist helps avoiding accidents happening because of blind spots. Safe exit assist ensures the occupant only exit the vehicle when it is safe. It even has forward collision assist, preventing mishaps while the driver's attention is divided. Now, these safety features are really 2021. More details on this car is expected soon. Share what you think of this car in the comment section below this video and share the link of this video with your friends to know what they think of it. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Here are some few more interesting videos you might like to watch. See you in the next one. Take care.